Hey everybody, Bekka here. Today we are at a special location, a place that I don't talk about often, but we are in Louisiana. We're in Slidell, Louisiana at Salmen Park. We are going to look for Louisiana native plants to see what we can find that is beneficial to us. So let's get started. The first plant I have found is one that I've talked about many times. It's this little plant right here. Here's its leaves. This is a dewberry. Let's see if we can find a better specimen while we're here. So those of you that are here for the first time, I'm Bekka. I am a master herbalist and have been playing around with herbs as beneficial means to our life for many years. And today, so here's a plant that I haven't talked about on the channel before. This is coralberry. Isn't that beautiful? This is a plant that was used quite a bit in Creole medicine. And here's what the leaves look like. And there's the berries. Here's another plant that I talk about quite a bit. This is yopon. Behind the yopon is this plant right here. This is magnolia. How you know you're in a swampy area? That plant right there, that's saw palmetto. That plant right there. Here's another beneficial plant. This is the wild rose. Maiden fern. See it right there? Some plants you might recognize in your own yard. Here's vetch. See the little purple flowers? And then we have wild onion down here. They're starting to grow. Can't see the actual plant down there because of the cleaver. Here's some more cleaver right here. All of that. Here's an interesting looking plant. I think it's beautiful in the spring. This is the red buckeye. And just below that is some more wild onion. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I sure did enjoy my walk. If you're ever in the Slidell, Louisiana area, this is the Salmen Park, named after a gentleman with the last name of Salmen, not the fish. The gentleman built the house that I have on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If this is content that you are interested in, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if this is something that you liked. Leave in the comment section anything that you would like me to film in the near future. I will talk to you soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. Bye. I knew I'd find a better specimen of dewberry. You see the little berries? And there's the leaves, and this particular plant